This morning, the toughest new abortion restrictions in the nation now on hold. A consequential but temporary development in the deeply personal and very public battle over abortion rights. A federal judge in Texas ruling late Wednesday the state's near total ban on abortions is unconstitutional after the Biden administration sued to stop the new law. The judge called the Texas restrictions an offensive deprivation of such an important right. The Texas law, which has been in effect since September 1st, bans abortions once a fetal heartbeat is detected, as early as the 6th week of pregnancy, before many women even know they're expecting. The measure notably makes no exceptions for rape and incest. During arguments between the Justice Department and the Texas Attorney General's office, the judge pressed Texas lawyers on the law's very unusual provisions, which allow private citizens to sue abortion providers and even those who assist women getting to clinics or paying for procedures. In a 113-page ruling, the federal judge expressed concern that other states could enact similar legislation. The Texas law became a catalyst in the larger debate, with anti-abortion advocates energized, pledging to use the Texas example in other states, while those supporting abortion rights demand a federal response to protect women's rights. Over the weekend, women marched in cities nationwide to urge the U.S. Supreme Court to protect existing abortion rights. The Susan B. Anthony List, an anti-abortion group, responded to Wednesday's ruling saying, now an unelected judge has interfered with the clearly expressed will of Texans. In Washington, the Supreme Court has already refused to take up the Texas law, but more challenges are expected. And this term, the High Court will look at another law on restrictive abortions in Mississippi, all set against the question of whether the decades-old landmark case of Roe v. Wade will stand.
Okay, so Kelly, with this overnight ruling in Texas, how does that affect abortion providers there now?
Well, there are real practical questions. One of the state's largest providers has already said clinics are making plans to resume abortion services for patients up to 18 weeks into their pregnancy. Now, that comes as neighboring states around Texas report seeing an uptick in patients crossing state lines as a result of that law that banned abortions at 6 weeks. But other providers are reluctant, and they're reluctant to resume their services because they know that the law was written in such a way that they could be retroactively sued for any abortions performed while this law is blocked. And of course, we expect additional legal challenges to this new ruling. Hoda?
All right, Kelly O'Donnell for us at the White House. Kelly, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.